Hello! In this video, I will show you how to configure Bitly integration with Affiliate Press. Go to the Affiliate Press add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press feature add-ons page.
Now activate the Bitly integration add-on.
Add-on is activated. Now click to Configure button. Scroll down to see the Bitly settings section. First of all, we have seen the affiliate user link. In front side, go to the affiliate user panel. Open the Affiliate Links tab and see the affiliate link. See the affiliate user affiliate link Who Long. Go to the backend side and configure the Bitly integration. Bitly requires an access token. Go to the Bitly dashboard page. Open the Settings API settings page. Now generate a token, enter the password, and click to Generate Token button. Copy your access token and go to the backend side and paste it. Now click to Get Guide button and generate your guide code. Your code has been generated. Now, save the changes. Go to the front-end side and reload the page. Open the Affiliate Links tab. See? Your affiliate link is short.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.